Hey, and welcome to another episode. In this episode, we're going to unbox the Camp Chef Camp Oven. So, what's in the box? That was your cue. What's in the box? Oh, that's not a camp oven. That's my kids.
The camp oven's over there.
Oh, it's over there. Okay, false alarm.
Can I open it?
Can you open it? Can you be very careful?
Huh?
I'm going to slice the sides, and you can do the top. Back up, Ellie.
Okay.
Okay, get that out of the way. All right, come here, Jeff.
Okay.
Hold the knife. Ellie, out of the way, because he's going to cut that way. Go around that way. No, not hard. Don't do it hard. You do it nice and gentle, okay?
I'll do it this.
Nice and gentle. Just like that. Okay.
Can I hold on to it for a little bit?
No. Okay.
Just like last time?
No, not like last time. Okay, watch out.
I'll take all this out. Nope, I have one. You have one. Let's.
Hey, it's got handles. Let's see if it lifts out okay. All right. Hey, another box, guys. You guys want to pull that box out of the way?
Sure.
We'll pull that box out
More
of the way.
foam.
And foam. That's right. Go
What
put it over on the
box?
couch.
What box?
This box. That's right. Cardboard box. Get the cardboard box out of here.
Wait. Can I?
Not
Can I
right here. Wait. Wait till I'm done. Alright. There it is. A little bit of tape.
Can I please open it so I can be another star?
Yeah, you can be a star. Let me get this tape peeled and you can take the stuff out for me, okay?
Daddy, guess what? The handles are terrible.
Alright. Now, the ad on Amazon said it was... Hey, Ellie, don't put your hand on the camera.
I will. But it'll open
So
it.
let me see. What is this?
Pop bubbles.
And there is some kind of nozzle. So the ad on Amazon said that it was ready to go right out of the box. So it's out.
So we should test it out.
Yeah, well, I don't see instructions yet. Let me see if there's some instructions hiding in here somewhere. Are they up in the top? Let's
Wait,
see.
no, can I open it?
Yes, you can, but you got to ask nicely.
Wow. May I please open this?
Yeah, why don't you sit over here? Oh, there's some instructions.
Cool. Extra cooking.
Deluxe outdoor
More
oven.
tape. Look.
Yep, and these go, and they sit right over here somehow. Figure out how they hook in. Oh, I see. This hooks in right here. Ellie, don't play with it, okay? That lifts up.
More tape.
Yeah, you guys can peel the tape off. I think that hooks in like that.
Hey,
Yep. All right, I'm gonna read the instructions before we play with it, okay?
okay. Hey, how about we
Oh, yeah.
pretend to be cooking something? Let me go get something that's a toy cooker.
That's the regulator right there. We're pretending you're cooking something on the grill.
On the top.
Up, over.
So I'll be in the front so I can be in even more stars.
I think. Let's get both of them up and over. That one goes in like that. This one goes in like that. So they hook in like that to stay. Okay.
Now let's pretend we're cooking.
And you do that. You pretend to cook while I figure out how the regulator works.
Me and Mom. Hello. Hey, Tohi. Thank you.
All right, so my main question about this that I couldn't tell by looking at the Amazon ad was how this regulator works and what it connects to and does it truly work right out of the box. And it looks like it does. I haven't fully read the instructions. I'll do a follow-up video that shows how this thing actually works in action. But basically,
Hey,
if we go around to the other side
you're
here,
my kid.
I'm not your kid, you're my kid.
Elmer, we're going to play Mom and Dad's, and Daddy's our kid.
So as I was saying, there's the regulator. It looks like it screws in right there, and then a 1 pound bottle goes right into that
Hey,
part.
Daddy, guess
right
what?
there. So as I was saying, the regulator looks like it goes in right there, screws in. Once it's in properly, the bottle goes in right there, and it is pretty much ready to go right out of the
There's
box.
one more
You
cookie
just
down here.
need to use 1 pound bottles for the starts, and there's adapters that'll go from that to a 20-pound or a 5-pound or any of the
At
other
least
types.
we've
So
got our big
looks like it is good to go,
sleeping bag.
and starting this next week I will be testing it out. Thanks for enjoying the chaos. Stick around and I'll give a couple review videos on how the thing actually works. And until then, work hard, play hard, be a big softie when you get home, and if I don't see you, have a good life. Be sure to check out the link in the description below for Jeep and Overlanding t-shirts. Mountain bike related t-shirts for other loud and obnoxious Jeep shirts. Like this mountain bike shirt. Van life t-shirts. Cool t-shirts like this one right here that tells everybody you're not a cyclist, you are a mountain biker.
Kids t-shirt!
And other cool shirts like this one right here.
Buy my dad's t-shirts so we don't have to live out on the street.